Hello, welcome to Card Barrage, a dexterity tower defense game. Card Barrage is an exciting, unique, dexterity-based tower defense game for 1 to 6 players. It's the 13th century at the peak of medieval times, a time of kings and queens, Prince Charmings, knights in shining armor, valor, and chivalry. Life can be nasty, brutish, and short. Castles dominated the landscape for 900 years and were the centers of civilization. Castles had different defensive structures, including curtain walls, arrow slits, portcullises, towers, concentric designs, and moats. In Castle Barrage, players or teams face off and barrage each other's castles and castle defenses with cards. Test your mettle and nerve as your walls are pummeled by cannon fire. Castle Barrage is a unique game which uses your hand-eye coordination to win. You score a point when you toss a card and it hits your opponent's walls or castle. Castle Barrage fits into two genres, dexterity games and tower defense games. It's a physical dexterity game that will improve your card throwing abilities. Card Barrage uses your hand-eye coordination to aim and toss a card at a precise location. It belongs to a genre of games that utilize physical dexterity to accomplish goals in the game. Tower defense games is a form of strategy game where the goal is to defend a player's territories and possessions by obstructing enemy attacks, usually through defensive structures. These structures serve to block, impede, attack, or destroy enemies. The objective of Card Barrage is to score points by tossing cards against your opponent's walls and castles to destroy their defenses. Gameplay. Card Barrage gameplay occurs in turns, where on any particular player's team or player's turn, you're going to draw a card. You can choose to build a wall, upgrade an existing wall, attack, or then you're going to check for the end game. You draw a card. If a player has less than 3 cards, they draw 2 instead. A player can build a wall from their hand into an empty location that's been previously destroyed, but that turn they cannot attack. You can also upgrade a wall. You can exchange one of your existing wall cards with a card of higher value. Attack. If you didn't build a wall, you can attack an enemy using either the lob, frisbee, or flip methods. Continue to watch the video for examples of those attacks. Then you check for the end game. A player who has scored 10 points or destroyed all of their opponent's walls and then hits their opponent's walls will trigger the end of the game. The player who has scored 10 points or destroyed all of their opponent's walls and hits their opponent's castle triggers the end of the game. Play passes to the next player or on the next team until everyone has had an equal number of turns, and then the team or player with the highest score wins. If they're ties, you can use the value and domains of the scored cards as tiebreakers. The frisbee method, the flip method, the lob method. The tech deck concept. The tech deck modernizes playing cards. It brings them into the 21st century. You can use it for any classic card game, and unique game effects create interesting interactions to provide replayability. It's versatile. The small form factor is easy to carry. Wherever you are, whomever you're with, whenever you like, you can enjoy gaming. Games long and short, casual and serious. The tech deck is a game platform that you can play many games with. They will appeal to many different audiences, speaking to hardcore gamers, non-gamers, party settings, and family settings. There have been many games now designed into the tech deck family of games: Tech Grid Poker, Tech City, Tech Exchange, Tech Chess, Gears of Industry, Elevator Pitch, Cardle, Chronological, Peer-to-Peer, Cardoku, Newsworthy, and now Card Barrage. Tech Grid Poker is two-dimensional poker with card abilities. Tech City is a tile-laying genre-type game. Tech Exchange explores the real-time genre of games. Tech Chess is a strategy game, a chess variant game. Gears of Industry explores the personalized card game genre. Elevator Pitch is a creative party game and idea generation tool where players give elevator pitches to each other with cards that they have to use cards to create a company. Cardle is head-to-head code breaking and fits into the deduction and puzzle game genre of games. Chronological is an education genre game, a history-based game, and family and party game. Peer-to-peer is a cooperative deck building game. Cardoku is a head-to-head puzzle solving game. Newsworthy is a conversational game where you search the internet as a source of conversation. And finally, Card Barrage fits into the dexterity and tower defense genre of games. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my other videos on the tech deck to learn how to play and explore the other tech deck games. Thank you.